Now someone's just bringing in a huge breeding colony of Tropheus dubosi for us. So they're all looking a bit knocked about at the moment because they've been taken out of their tank and bring down here to the shop. Tropheus are a very popular, very boisterous, very active species of fish. It's important they're kept in a really busy aquarium, about 26, 27 degrees, nice high pH, nice high KH. Make sure you don't feed them any high protein foods like bloodworms because it stuffs with their digestive system and can give them bloat. They're best kept in large groups because they are a little bit aggressive to each other. When they do breed, they tend to have very small mouthfuls of about 6 fish. You can traumatize them when you're stripping them, so be quite careful. It is quite good to put a bit of floating plastic plant or some little tubes floating on the surface because your subdominant fish will go up there and hide from the other fish, and your babies tend to go up there to hide too. When the fish are babies, they have little white spots similar to this fish here, and then as they get older they lose their white spots and develop their beautiful metallic blue face. These are Maswas, so they've got a fairly yellow bar. There's also the white band, which has got a lovely white bar, and you can also get no bands that don't have a bar at all, depending on where they're actually found in Lake Tanganyika. In the wild, these have teeth which scrape our switch off the rocks, so they eat algae and any microorganisms that might be hiding in the algae that's on the top of the rocks. So spirulina-based foods like Spectrum, high quality, balanced foods are really the go. Yeah, lovely addition to your aquarium. So either best kept singly or in a large group. Sexing them is very hard. I've had ones that I swear are dominant males and end up getting mouthfuls, and it's quite hard to tell whether they've got a mouthful, so you've got to be quite diligent to watch them so you know when they are actually breeding. So male and female look pretty much the same. Vent sexing is the safest way to sex them, but it's quite traumatic on these fish to vent sex them. Sometimes you can vent sex them just by looking at them, but yeah. Anyway, if you've got any other comments, anything you think I left out, a little bit of salt in the water too I find helps these guys. So just make a little comment down the bottom about your experience with these fish and any other information that maybe I could have added. Tropheus dubosi. Lovely, lovely fish.